Assalamualaikum. Hey guys, today I'm gonna make coffee cake in a different style. So now let's get started towards our ingredients. So these are the ingredients for the coffee cake. This is the grinded sugar 1 cup. This is 1 cup all-purpose flour. It has to be sifted. These are 4 eggs of normal temperature. This is unsalted butter, 200 grams, baking powder, 2 teaspoon, 1 teaspoon vanilla essence, 1 tablespoon coffee. These are the ingredients of our coffee frosting. This is 1 tablespoon coffee. This is 200 grams unsalted butter, 3 eggs of normal temperature, and 1 cup sugar. So first we're gonna make the frosting, because frosting takes a lot of time to cool down. So till the time it will cool, we gonna make our cake better. So we have added the 200 grams butter in our pan and have turned the flame very little, and now I'm gonna add the sugar and mix it till the butter melts. The butter has started to melt, so now I'm gonna turn off the flame and add the eggs one by one. So we have cooled it down for a while, so that when we gonna add our eggs, it doesn't cook up. So now that it has cooled, I'm gonna add the eggs and quickly mix it so that there are no particles. You have to cook it on the slow flame until the sugar starts to dissolve in it, and you have to keep mixing, otherwise there will be lumps and you don't have to stop it. After mixing it for 2 till 3 minutes, you can see that the sugar has fully dissolved in it and it's now ready. So now I'm gonna put it into the fridge to let it cool down for at least 2 hours. Till the time it will cool, I will make the cake better. You have to keep it cool in the fridge till the time it comes in a hard solid form. Then when it will cool, afterwards we'll add the coffee, which would be in a diluted form in it, and then mix it. We're gonna make the cake. So I've added the 200 grams butter, and now I'm gonna beat it at a low speed. Now I'm gonna add 1 cup sugar, and then again we beat it at the slow speed. We're gonna beat it until it becomes fluffy. So now one by one I'm gonna add the eggs and then beat it. We're gonna add 4 eggs. We have already added 1 egg. So now I'm gonna add the second egg and again mix it. Now we are adding the last 2 eggs and then again we're gonna beat it. Now we're gonna add 1 teaspoon vanilla essence. Now I'm gonna add the 1 tablespoon coffee in our water and then mix it. So it has mixed. Now I'm gonna add it in our batter and I'm gonna beat it. Now I'm gonna add the 2 teaspoon baking powder into our 1 cup all-purpose flour, and I'm gonna mix this, and then we're gonna add it into our batter. So now I'm adding the flour into our batter, and then again I'm gonna beat it. So now I'm adding the full flour and then I'm gonna beat it. So now our batter is mixed. So then now I'm gonna add it into our pan, which are already greased. We're gonna add half of them into our each pans and gently we're gonna bake it at 180 degree for only 35 minutes. You can see that the cake has baked and it is looking very pretty. So now we'll wait it to cool down, then we'll gonna start our icing. So we have taken out our frosting out of the fridge, for 2 hours we had kept it, and now it's in a hard form. So now I'm gonna add the coffee and water and mix together, and then I'm gonna add it into this, and then I'm gonna whip it. So now I'm gonna add our coffee mixture, 1 spoon. I'm gonna add it gradually. Our icing is ready. So now we're gonna start our frosting. We have cut our cake into 4 layers, one of which is scrambled. So now I'm gonna put 1 layer onto our tray, and then rolling tray, and then we're gonna start our icing. So now I put the cream, and now I'm gonna lightly spread it all over to the cake, and gonna take a little bit more and gently gonna spread it. So now I've spreaded the cream, and now I'm gonna put my second layer of cake and again do the same method.
White वाली cream बना लेती.
So now I've spread the cream. Now I'm gonna put my third and last layer on top of it. So now I'm gonna start spreading the cream very gently so that it does not fall from the corners. So now after spreading the cream, we have put it the crumble crumbs on the corner of our cake. You can see it. you can see that the cake is ready, and you can do the garnishing just the way you want to, but the cake is now ready. Now you can see that I have finished my cake like this and have done the garnishing with cream and nozzles. So now the cake is ready. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell icon and share my video, and Allah Hafiz.